All of us are called to be a missionary. It is not necessary for us, it is impossible for us also to go out ourselves to other place to preach the gospel as it was done by St. Francis Xavier. But we could be a real missionary in our own situation, in our own family, in our own city, in the place we are working. What is necessary? Bringing the good news, as Jesus Christ has told us, through love, through compassion, through charity, and being merciful to other people. That is a real missionary spirit which we should have. In the time of St. Francis Xavier, it was entirely different. He has to travel a lot. For 10 years, from 15 to 42, 15 to 52, he was traveling here and there. We used to read that he spent 3 years in different times in the ship journey, going from one part of the world to the other part of the world. You know, those days, ship wreckage and other seasicknesses and other difficulties were there. In spite of that, he was a person of conviction that I have to be a missionary at all circumstances, in every moment of life. The love for mission is not that I should leave India, I should go to Africa, not at all. Or to the North India, it is not at all necessary. Be in your home, be a missionary in spirit, praying for the missionaries and have the same sentiments of being like St. Francis Xavier. Very much necessary in the world of today. As we are in India, we Christians, we face so many challenges and difficulties. From different walks of life we have to face. Being minority, we are sometimes neglected. We are not at all taken into consideration. And we are not given true freedom to express our own religious sentiments. But in spite of that, like Francis Xavier, we are all called to be missionary in our own ambience, in our own town, in our own parish, above all in your family. Love for mission. That comes from love of God. That is very much necessary.